Now, spending weeks hand drawing a coloring book just to watch it get buried in an oversaturated market is a complete waste of your time. But while most people are struggling, there are a few specific coloring book niches that are absolutely blowing up on Amazon right now, and they're perfect for AI. Now, when I say perfect for AI or AI friendly, I mean the illustrations in these niches can be made with tools like ChatGPT, Gemini's Nano Banana 2, or others like it. You can type a single prompt and get a perfect result on your first try, and then you're basically done. You don't have to spend hours fixing messy lines on your computer. You can launch a completed book in half the time, even with a busy schedule. So today, I'm gonna give you a list of some of these fastest growing coloring book niches so you can stop guessing and you can focus where the buyers are already at. So let's jump into Amazon and look at the first niche. Now, if this is your first time here, my name is Jeff, and this channel is all about becoming self-sufficient when it comes to making money online. So if this sounds like you, feel free to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and turn on that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I release a new video. With that being said, let's get right to it. Now, the first niche is called the reverse coloring book. So the first thing that I always look at is going to be the total results. This plugin that I use called Titan Quick View actually gives me the actual number of total results, which is 1,245, compared to Amazon where it just gives me a generic over 1,000 results. It's much more accurate and better for KDP publishers if we know the exact amount of competition that we're going to be competing against. With that being said, this isn't too competitive of a niche. And as you'll see with some examples here, it's actually a pretty simple book to make. Now, there is a niche score here provided by Titans Quick View, 63. So that is decently high. And then the Titans Pro analysis, demand is high at 7, opportunity is a 9. Now, going through the books here, you have the top 3 books, all come from the same publisher. However, they're not KDP books, but it just goes to show you that there is a bestseller right here doing very, very well. Now, in the number 5 ranking, there is a KDP book right here, independently published, royalties, upwards of $1,400 per month. Now, going down here, another independently published book, $190, so not too bad there. Another book right here, making some money, $63. And another one right here, making close to $500 per month. So you know that there's already demand in this niche. People are looking for this type of coloring book. So it's just up to you to actually provide a book that they want to buy. Another one right here, $145 per month. This one over $500 per month. Here's another one at $1,500 per month. Now, it is also called ink tracing. For example, this one right here, ink tracing coloring book. This one over $7,000 per month. And this one right here, reverse coloring book for kids, almost $2,000 per month. So if we actually take a look at this example, this one's gonna have 50 unique illustrations, and this is designed for kids. And the size for this book is the standard 8.5 by 11 inches. So this book is just what we call a standard type of coloring book, priced at $11.43. And that is because it's gonna be in full color, as I'll show you the sample. And as you can see, it is full color inside, so it's going to be a little bit more on the printing cost, which is why in this niche, you can price your book a little bit higher to compensate for that. And then in the interior, this is an example. So the actual illustration is just this watercolored area. And then where the pen marks or these pencil marks are is where the customer essentially will draw on it to make whatever artwork they want. And as you can see, here is one of the pages. And this is something that AI can definitely create. Not too complicated, simple prompts can produce these images. Now, the next niche is called the Bold and Easy Summer Coloring Book, perfect for this time of year. Total results quite low here, so not very competitive, 260. And then we see a niche score of 66. Titans Pro analysis, demand is a 5, opportunity is a 9. Now, this can be somewhat more of a seasonal niche. However, there are books here that sell year round. You have a bestseller right here, almost $28,000 per month. This one right here, Summer Vibes, over $600 per month. This one, Summer Glow, over $100 per month. We go look down here. This one, Bold and Easy Summer Fun Coloring Book, close to $1,200 per month. And these are royalties we're talking about. This is after the fees and all of the printing costs. this is what the publisher is expected to make if they can maintain this, let's say 40,000 BSR for the month. Here's another one right here, over $3,000 per month, and another one right here, over $1,000 per month. So there's plenty of demand here. Now, if we take a look at this example, this has about 40 to 45 images here. And the price for this book is $9.99, which is the typical price point for coloring books. Now, this is that bold and easy type of coloring book. You might be familiar with it. It's really just a simple coloring book. Even the cover is actually quite simple. You have a lot of bold lines, very simple lines. And as you can see, this is basically what it looks like, and some examples on the back cover. And this is definitely something that I've shown before how to create on my channel. If you want to watch those videos on how to create these bold and easy coloring books. But essentially, I just use simple prompts to produce this on Gemini's Nano Banana or ChatGPT, and it looks very, very good. Notice how simple the lines are on those top selling books. Well, the people making the most money on KDP right now, they aren't hand drawing for weeks. Instead, they're finding the open gaps in the market and using AI to fill them instantly. That simple line style is the exact reason why AI can generate these perfectly on the first attempt. So let's head back to Amazon and look at the next niche on the list. Now, the next niche is called the Axolotl Coloring Book. Now, total results here, 385, so not very competitive. Very high niche score at 74, and then the Titans Pro analysis, demand is a 7, opportunity is a 9. Now, going through the books here, the first 3 out of 5 books are going to be KDP books. This one over $600 per month. This is the bold and easy type. This one over $1,500 per month, more of the standard type of coloring book. This one has the best seller. And then this one, once again, another bold and easy type, over $200 per month. So already different ways to attack this niche. The next row, we have 1, 2, 3 KDP books here. So this one, standard type of coloring book, over $1,600 per month in royalties. The next 2, more that bold and easy type square coloring book, $200 per month, $500 per month in royalties. And more examples here of books doing well. Here's another one, $100, close to $500. And then this one, over $100 per month in royalties. Now, if we take a look at this example, this one has 48 illustrations. This is priced at $10.99, which is a little bit of a premium, but it still sells very well, has a 4.9 out of 5 rating, which 90% is a 5-star. And when we take a closer look at the book, if you just look at the cover, this looks like something that was produced by AI. Now, I'm not saying that this publisher did use AI, but I'm saying that AI has gotten to the point where it can actually create these types of illustrations. So here's the first image. Definitely something AI is capable of doing very, very well. The bleed through page, or the back side of the coloring pages, is actually really nice here. There are facts about axolotls, something nice to add value to the book, as well as even a coloring element in it as well. Here's another page of the interior. Now, the next niche is called the monochrome coloring book. I did just create a few videos on this niche if you want to go ahead and watch that, if you want an in-depth tutorial on the monochrome coloring book. But a quick rundown here, total results, 1,068, so not too competitive here. And look at that average bestsellers rank on the first page, 110,000, which tells you that these are high-performing books, and there's quite a lot of demand for this type of book. And we can see with a niche score of 83, even Titans Quick View sees that. Titans Pro Analysis, demand is a 7, opportunity is a 9. Now going through here, you have a bestseller right here. It is not a KDP book, but as you can see, there is a lot of demand for this book. Now we get to the second row, and you can see 1, 2, 3, 4 independently published books, aka 4 KDP books. This one, almost $3,500 per month. This is a gothic and botanical monochrome coloring book. This one, monochrome landscapes, over $100 per month. Monochrome kawaii horror coloring book, almost $300 per month. And a woodland whimsy monochrome coloring book, over $1,700 per month. So lots of different sub niches within this monochrome coloring book, and even more examples of books doing well. The monochrome botanicals, almost $2,800 per month. And then this one, a monochrome swear word coloring book, over $1,300 per month. Now, these are very, very simple books, but as you can see with this one, priced $11.99. So it just shows you that you can price these books at a premium as well. 4.5 out of 5 rating, 67% is a 5-star. And this book has 111 pages total, which means that there's only 50 illustrations. And when you start getting going with AI, you know that you can create 50 illustrations pretty quickly. Now looking at the interior here, hopefully we get some samples. So here is one. And essentially how this book works is you have an outline of the illustration, and then you have these markings. In this one, it's an X, where the customer will go ahead and color everything that they see with an X with a black pen or marker. And then once completed, it actually just looks like a completed monochrome coloring page. This is essentially what it would look like. If you see the black colored pages here, these are the completed illustrations. And so it goes top to bottom. So the top is the page that the customer gets. The bottom is what it should look like. As you can see, very simple in concept. Can be a little bit complicated if you don't know the prompt to use. But once again, if you are interested in this, you can watch my monochrome coloring book tutorial, and it'll basically give you the rundown on how to actually do this from scratch. Now, the next niche is called the cottagecore coloring book. Total results, we see 300 and the niche score of 52. And then with that times pro analysis, demand is a 7, opportunity is a 9. Now looking through these books, you have, here's a KDP book here, $100 per month. Here's another one right here, over $100 per month. Another one right here, over $200 per month. This one right here, $400 per month. So I'm not seeing crazy numbers, but I'm seeing consistent numbers. So this could be a great niche to get into if you're looking to supplement your catalog. So taking a look at this example, I wanted to showcase this one because this is the book making $400 per month. It is selling. However, look at the ratings here, 2.7 out of 5. 34% is a 5-star, but then followed by a 2-star and a 1-star. But this just shows you that there is a lot of demand in this niche. And what this publisher is doing very, very well is going to be the cover, because that's where you're going to get your initial sales, is your cover design. Now, your ratings here will totally depend on your interior, but you can get your book sold just based off of your cover. Now, if we actually go ahead and look at the ratings here, you can see it says not a lot of cottages, not really cottage core, more bunnies, hedgehogs, etc. And this one says right here, child's book. This was supposed to be an adult coloring book, but it is more for a child. And so those are things that you can improve on if you were to create this book, but you can take this cover as an example of a cover that sells very well in this niche. So if we actually take a look at the sample here, you can see the interiors that it has versus what the customers are saying. And so it's saying that this is not really a cottagecore type of book, and it's not really an adult type of coloring book. So it's a little bit too easy, I guess, to color in. Maybe add a little bit more complex designs. But this is more of a cottagecore, bold and easy type, or a cute and cozy type of coloring book, which is in line with its title. However, I would say, like one of the reviews, use more cottagecore theme elements. But as you can see with this sales graph, this book right away took on with its customers and sold very, very well. And even with the bad reviews, it continues to sell. So this publisher has a chance to update the interior and really do well in this niche. Winning on KDP isn't about knowing how to draw anymore. It's about being a smart researcher who uses the tools that we have to give buyers exactly what they want. Don't overcomplicate this. Just pick one niche from this list and make steady progress every day without burning out. If you want to see me take one of these specific niches and build a complete book from scratch, leave a comment down below and let me know which one you want to see. Also, if you want a complete blueprint for all of this, grab my free guide called the KDP Royalty Roadmap. It's a full step-by-step breakdown covering everything you need to know about low content publishing. The link is down in the description. If you found this video helpful and you want to learn more, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss my next video. With that being said, thanks for watching. Bye for now.